All right, welcome back, teachers. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and walk you through how to customize your Google Classroom. So where we left off in the last tutorial was building our classes. Now I'm going to walk you through some of the customization features built into Google Classroom. So the first thing, and this is really important, if you ever need to make any changes to your classroom as far as the naming convention or even the period or section, you're going to come up here where the three dots are located, and you can select it and rename or archive any one of these classrooms. So let's go ahead and click rename, and right here is where you'll want to rename, for example, advanced chemistry to possibly something else, or rename the period right there, okay? Moving on to customization within Google Classroom. We're going to go ahead and select our advanced chemistry class period 5. Now, the first thing I'd like to show you is the selecting theme and also uploading a photo. Now, uploading a photo is new to Google Classroom, and a lot of teachers have been asking for this. But let's first jump into select theme. So what this allows you to do is choose between gallery themes or patterns, and once you do, you can choose something that might be possibly more fitting for your classroom. So for advanced chemistry, this looks good. Just go ahead and double click on it, and you'll notice, teachers, now you have your own personal theme. Now, if you really want to add that personal touch and select your own photo, you can come over here to where it says upload photo, and you have a variety of different choices right here. You're going to come down here to where it says select a photo from your computer, and then you can go in and actually choose your own personal photo or something that you found on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and select this science themed photo that I downloaded from the internet, and then it's going to ask you to go ahead and set the parameters of what you'd like to show within that theme. So I'm going to go ahead and expand this, and you can even move it around, ladies and gentlemen, up or down to go ahead and select that area that you think would be best. Once you have it selected, you can go ahead and click select class theme, and voila, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. It is now applied to your theme. Now moving on to your own personal profile picture. How do you customize that? Let's go ahead. We're going to come over here again to the three lines. Go ahead and we'll have the slide out pop out. But instead of going to home, you're going to go ahead and drop down right here to where it says settings. Now within settings, what it'll allow you to do is go ahead and change your profile picture. So go ahead and click on change profile picture. Within selecting a profile photo, you actually have several different choices, from uploading photos, your own photos, photos of you, and then webcam. Now, if you're going to use your webcam, you actually have to enable the webcam. And voila, there we go. So as you can see, it now has a profile shot of me. So all you have to do is just take a snapshot, and what it'll do is actually capture a photo of you to personalize your profile picture. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop back into where it says upload photos. I'm going to select a photo from my computer, and as you can see, I already have it set up to go into my pictures, and I'll go ahead and double click on one that I already have pre-slugged and ready to go. Now again, it's going to ask you to go ahead and expand the area that you would like to capture within that photo. So I want to go ahead and try to capture all of this if I can. And then once you have it selected, you can go ahead and hit set profile photo. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You now have your own personal profile picture set within Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and go back, and let's choose one of our classes. I'm going to choose advanced chemistry. And as you can see now, you have not only your own customized theme, but your own personal profile picture. Well, that pretty much covers everything for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on Google Classroom.